Welcome back to Selected Solutions, and for today's video we are going to use this sub-basin from HEC-HMS to HEC-RAS. So this sub-basin will use as the 2D geometry for HEC-RAS. So it will be like a running a hydrologic model in HEC-RAS, and we will try to test the variability of the flow hydrograph in HEC-RAS compared it to the flow hydrograph in HEC-HMS. So this one, to test the percentage bias. And here in HEC-HMS result, so we copy this flow hydrograph, the resulting flow hydrograph in HEC-HMS. We copy this to our uh, testing analysis in Excel. Okay, so it's copied, and we go back to our HEC-HMS. So we export this sub-basin shapefile to our HEC-RAS. So we load the sub-basin to our HEC-RAS. Click this finish after exporting the zip file, and then here open our HEC-RAS, and we import the sub-basin model or the sub-basin shapefile as our 2D geometry here in HEC-RAS. So find it. So that's it. We have now the sub-basin loaded as our geometry in HEC-RAS. So we set the mesh to 40 meters. Okay, and then we also put the boundary condition. We only put here the outlet as our boundary condition, normal depth. Okay, so this is the outlet, and then after this we of course go to our, we save the data, and then we go to the answer D. So we save this geometry. So that's it. We have now the outlet and sub-basin geometry, and here we put it our outlet as normal depth 0.02, and this rainfall is the same rainfall we have loaded to our HEC-HMS. So after this we can now run our HEC-RAS. So the same time window, and the same simulation time, which is 10 minutes for the detailed hydrograph. So we wait for several minutes for this to finish, and so after this we can view our result in HEC-RAS, and we also copy the discharge hydrograph that will be the resulting hydrograph from this. So we also create a graph, so graphical representation of the two hydrographs. So first we have the HEC-HMS. So this is the hydrograph from HEC-HMS with its graphical representation. So it's done simulating in HEC-RAS. So we go to the result. So we check this here. Okay, this is our result. So that's it. And now we go to the discharge hydrograph of this. So the detailed discharge hydrograph. So this is the detailed discharge hydrograph from our outlet, and we copy this so that it will be compared to our data in HEC-HMS. So we go back to our Excel and then paste the discharge. So we can see here that the percentage bias is very good. So it means it's a good relationship between the two. And we also add this data to our graph to visually see the two hydrographs. Okay, let's check. So that's it. That's the two hydrographs we have from HEC-HMS and HEC-RAS. So guys, I hope you have learned from this. Thank you.